Um, so yeah, coming to IT Talent Hub, I think you all know about us. We are a training provider, 15 years experience teaching so software testing, DevOps, full stack, and other courses. But now we are not only training; we have a big network of people, and we do a lot of networking events, meetups, and kind of free webinars and seminars. So that's how we help. But especially last few days, it's very important that I'm focusing on AI because there's a lot of gap in knowledge and people's and all these assumptions and perceptions. People are Everybody say that I know AI, I'll teach AI, but that is they just teach you how to use ChatGPT, or maybe they will be talking about different AI tools which we never use. Maybe somebody will say I can create a video using AI. So that is not how the use of why we have to use AI. So there's a lot of confusion and lot of distraction. So I just want to tell that I've been working in AI from last 5 years, especially with Sainsbury's and Eurostar and Mercedes-Benz. We have a very big clientele which I work for, and I was able to see what exactly is AI, what you have to learn. Is it complicated or easy? I will tell you all these things now. Okay. And coming to our, we also have a recruiting firm. If you are looking for any job opportunities, you always can come back. Now we are mostly looking into AI trainings and jobs. You always can come, and we have a job-oriented training courses as well, which you can contact us, and I can give you the details. But this is, and we have a lot of clients that we work with, especially our students are now working with different companies like Telefonica, which is O2, Frontier, Text Help, and Edgematic. So there are four different people who joined like literally 1 month back, and they're all working as AI engineers in their company, AI testers. So this is how we have a good um, good success rate, and we have literally, I mean, these people are this is the names of those for the people who actually are getting the 40, 45K and 50K respective in their different companies. And this is all my old students. Okay, so that is about us. I think people know about this. It's mostly I normally run communities and then a kind of free events. So it's mostly how I help the people. So people know about us. So that's about us. And coming to this particular course, guys, I'm telling this is just AI awareness. I mean, everybody how to learn AI and everybody how to live with it. So coming to this particular course that I'm talking about, 2 days course, this course is completely for the people who are non-technical background. Okay, if you are non-technical, if you don't think I don't know coding, this is perfect for you. Okay, so there's no for learning AI, you don't need to learn any technical task. AI is about how you can use AI productively, and there are a lot of tools outside, the hundreds of tools, and ChatGPT is one of that. And you need to know what are the different tools available and what is tooling is doing what and how to use it. And for that, there's some fundamentals of AI that you need to learn, like large language model, RAG tools, and MCP servers. If you know that basics, you can go to any tool and you should be able to achieve what you are looking for, including job search, creating reports in your business, creating a website for your company, giving a payment link to your customers, summarizing your hundreds of emails, or creating a presentation for your investors. So, coming to anything in your life that you want to do, AI is very productive. Okay, AI is very productive. I'm not telling AI will replace you. We need your brain, but AI is like a robo. You train the robo and make it to work, it will work. Okay, still it won't work by itself. You need to be there. So that's reason if you know how to deal with robo, you will be able to get maximum out of robo. If you are buying a robo £1,000,000, but you don't know how to use it, it is just a toy. Okay, sitting somewhere in the corner, somebody will take selfie pictures of it, but there's no use. But if you know how to use it, example, if you want a robot to clean your house or clean your TV, for an example. So you can tell to a robot, clean your TV, but are you confident? No, it may break. It will go on. If it's handle it hard, it will break. So if you don't know how to control it, give the prompts like tell in a very nice way how to clean your TV, for an example. then there's high risk that it will do it wrong. So that's the reason why you people will be not using robo instead of using it wisely. So people will go, oh, no, I don't know how to use it, I don't use it. So better you learn how to use it, then make take a productivity out of it because everybody around you are doing it. So that's the reason why this is more of no course, no training, no job. I'm not promising any jobs here. It is only for you to get yourself better in AI. So that's the reason why target audience are business professionals, software testers, business analysis, and data analysis. Anyone can come, and it's no coding for this course that we are teaching. And we will be not only teaching AI, we will teach you how to develop AI agents. Okay, that is the top trending right now. Tomorrow it may be something else, then I will be updated myself. But today, right now, trending is not ChatGPT. ChatGPT is already over 1 year. We are living with that. Now, what it is developing AI agents yourself, like creating an agent using any other backend system like ChatGPT is one. We can use Anthropic, we can use Grok, we can use Cloud. We can change that just like that. Tomorrow, Gemini 4 is cheaper than Gemini. ChatGPT 5, we can do it. Or if you think ChatGPT is very effective, I have made of money, use. So this is a cost and there is an outcome base. So you should be able to take a decisions. Okay. However, I'm not limiting that learning of AI is only for purpose of learning. If you are looking for any job like AI consultant, there are a lot of new opportunities coming up with this kind of skill set. So there are a lot of opportunities around. If you are looking for job oriented, then take this 99 pounds course. Absolutely. After that, contact us. Then we can guide you a little bit more. Like example, you want to become a AI engineer, then you need to know a little bit more. If you want to become a tester, then you need to know a little bit of how to test an AI for governance, compliance, and accuracy and hallucination. Okay, because nowadays the biggest problem that people are facing nowadays is AI is hallucinating. Means it is assuming and giving wrong information. And we are so lazy that not validating the outcome of AI, copy pasting into emails, copy pasting into documents, copy pasting into our reports and assuming that AI is perfect. But that is where there's a mistake. AI is not that great that you think about. It will do mistakes before because we are becoming so lazy and reliable on AI, we are actually carrying the mistakes. So for that to not happen, there is a separate role, a testing role called how to test an AI system before it come into production so that the AI will not do any mistakes. Ah, okay, guys. Yeah, and coming to today, what you will learn. So, any questions so far, anyone, on what we discussed so far? Anything that you want to highlight, or anything you want to add or minus or something?
We'll make it very interactive, please, everyone. Yes.
And any questions, any inputs, anything that you want to tell?
No, at the moment, I'm okay with that. I will looking about these ones.
Good. Archana. Okay. Bye.
Okay. So, guys, coming back to this foundation concept. So, this particular thing is about three important concepts: fundamentals of AI productivity tools, and building AI agents. This is the biggest one. Okay. So the courses will come, we will discuss about fundamentals of AI. In the fundamentals of AI, you can see here there are three different types of AI, and they are three different disciplines in AI, and therefore considerations that you need to do in AI. Okay. So coming back to this, you can see here from the basics of AI is there
Sir,
three different. Yeah.
sorry, we can't see your screen, sir.
No, we are able to see. No,
I'll
no, we
share
are
it again.
able to see, maybe not sure.
I'm not able to see.
Okay.
Sir,
We are able
sir.
to see Sriram. Yes, we are able to see your screen earlier.
Now
As
I
far
can
as
now I can
now,
see.
okay, okay, good, 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 fantastic, great.
Okay. So yeah, basics of AI. So there are three types of AI: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. So narrow AI is the one that we used to do before, like few days back, like um, uh, your Series or your Google and your Tesla cars. This is all we used to talk about narrow AI, and it was there previously also chatbots and stuff, but that is okay. But that is basic AI, like very basic. And now nowadays what we are using is called general AI. Okay, which is like AI will think like human. Okay, whenever AI is thinking like human, that is where now people why AI is so advanced now is because people are thinking like human. Like AI is thinking like human, it is reasoning, understanding, especially natural NLP came into picture, natural language processing, and that will make you to talk and understand like human. So that NLP concept of AI made us to talk about narrow AI to general AI, so that we can use AI in general, like everywhere we are using AI. Previously, AI is used only for a few things, but now AI is used for everywhere. So whenever an AI is talk like human, because our brains will take language. So right now you are listening to me and you're processing your brain with the data that you have in the past. Example, I said that ChatGPT is one of it. Then you understand ChatGPT and you are thinking, okay, so because you already know ChatGPT, you're relating ChatGPT with your brain. So it's like you're doing two things: understanding the language and processing your model in the brain. So that's what AI will do. Even ChatGPT, it understands your language. That's called NLP, and take that into the back, and then it actually have a memory. So it touch base the memory and get the information back. That memory is built on logic. That memory is built on data. That memory is built on emotions like sentimental analysis. And that particular memory, the logic is also based on the experience and the situations that you actually it is trained. So it should be trained, not only input of data over the period of time. Example, you have a kid which is 10-year-old will have a different outcome than a 30-year or 40-year-old. What is the difference? Because it is experience. That experience is nothing but model training. So the more it is trained, why 5.1 is better than 4.1? Because it's better trained. So the training is like it puts a lot of information into the brain and it actually will process the logical outcome. So that is exactly how our brain works. Now the AI is working here. Okay, so now we are in this world of general AI, and soon in future we will go into super AI. Okay, which is nothing but it is beyond human ability, like a superhuman. But right now, let's not talk about it. But in future, we will go to super AI. Like AI will do like 1,000 things. Like it will do better than human. So that is how the types of AI will is looking into.
Sorry, your screen is off. I can't see your screen. I don't know if it's from my end.
Okay, I'm doing it again.
But from ours, we are able to see Sriram, but maybe better to research. Yeah.
Okay, now visible.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. And coming to AI, there are two different disciplines. I think people often get confused between this: data science, machine learning, and AI. Okay. So machine learning, data science it is a science of using data. That's the name suggests. So using data, we can actually do some algorithms and able to get some reports and predictions and some outcomes. So example, insights. Example, we got like in NHS, how many patients are already treated with within next for 2 hours of entry. Example. So this is like a data science where they take millions of records of data, and there is some algorithms, we keep it in that, and that algorithm will give you an outcome, a report. So that report we can tell, okay, so then based on that we can predict, if I go to hospital in London, I would expect that I will wait for 5 hours. It's a very straight away, no logic, no LLM, no AI here. It's a kind of a logical way of interpreting the data and giving the outcome. So that's called data science. And yeah, there's a lot of complexity into it, but that is a science. That is where it actually started. But slowly after that, they had created something called machine learning models. So now instead of using the algorithms, they started using a model, which is nothing but a bunch of algorithms working together to create a GPU. Okay, GPU is like a brain. So the machine learning is nothing but it learns over the period of time, and it actually creates a kind of a kind of a GPU, which actually is a kind of question and answer session like chat GPT. It takes an input and it will able to give you an outcome. Like it takes you ask something, it can give you back, or it can give you some beautiful report, or it can give you some voice outcome. So it's like a based on the learning, you ask something, it will give you back. But you need to ask something. Okay, like it's like a machine learning model which is trained, but it should work. But what is different between machine learning AI? Machine learning don't use NLP, natural language processing, and machine learning is just to do one specific task, and it don't have a lot of things like it won't able to integrate. Example, you are asking a machine learning algorithm of financial data, it can help you, but suddenly you ask about, can you tell about customer experience in the bank? Then it say, I don't know you're talking about because I don't have a data. But now AI is completely different. AI, number one, AI and machine learning data difference is AI is a machine learning model plus natural language processing, which is NLP. So NLP plus machine learning is AI. So now AI is like a human brain. It understands you and it responds back to you. It uses machine learning under the core, but on top of that, you have like a NLP, and also it have additional things. Example, it not only do one task, it can do multiple tasks. Example, like your brain. While I'm talking, if somebody is calling, I'm putting my attention. So it can work, can handle more complex thing. So multiple models are interconnected and make a bigger brain, and then it have a interface on top of that, which is nothing but NLP. Then that's called AI. So that's the reason why AI is nothing but an intelligence how we think. So how humans are thinking, that's what system I think. That's the reason it's called artificial intelligence. That intelligence is nothing but data science came so advanced that it become like us. That's the reason why people are thinking, what is AI? It's nothing but machine learning model, guys. But because it is thinking exactly like us. ChatGPT is like a somebody sitting outside, exactly giving you like human. Because people, it is behaving like human, people thought it like a intelligence. So they made it as a AI. Okay, but at the end of the day, it's a system. Okay. And finally, ethical considerations of AI. I mean, again, this all we will go in detail, guys, when we go into the course. I'm just giving highlight, but when you doing the course, we'll go in detail. But my point of in that, I will teach you a little bit more machine learning models, algorithms, a bit of data. I will show you more examples of data science so that you can see like, okay, this is what machine learning. I can't show you right now. I can't show you an AI model right now. I can show you some examples, but when you go to the course, we'll go in detail so that you can understand. Okay, and coming to this ethical considerations, privacy protection, this is one of the things that we need to think that because AI, because still people are not sure whether I can put my personal data into ChatGPT. I have hundreds of clients asking, can I put in my CV in ChatGPT? Will it, everybody will see about it. Okay, so they have these concerns. And prevent to AI misuse. So AI misusing, people are using misuse. Yes. How to stop it? We need to know so that when we start using AI, we'll make example, you're creating an agent, but your competitor is copying your agent. What happens? Then he is misusing your own brain. So you developed a model, you bring, somebody else copied just like that. How to stop that, we'll teach you. And finally, how to use AI in a fair and inclusive system instead of we completely relying on AI, where to use AI and what kind of places, example, writing chat GPT prompts. It will do a lot of unfair outcomes if you are not giving a proper input. So how to make it fair and get a maximum out of it. And finally, we also will teach you how to where human, how much of percentage human should be there, how much of percent your AI should be there. Okay. Like that, we will teach you. That is very important, guys. It's the basics of AI. If you know that, when you develop any agent, you will be able to understand how much I can develop, I cannot develop. Otherwise, you'll think, okay, I will replace my HR, I will replace my admin, I will replace my receptionist straight away. You'll get so excited. But if you don't know the limitations, you will become mistakes. So we'll teach you that. Okay, guys. So that's about the basics of fundamentals of AI. Now let us discuss about the productivity tools of AI and what tools we will teach you. Maybe Anna, you can take this session, and also I will a bit of and I think this is too much, too many things. You have it better.
I will go with
Better
overview.
you take the tools. Listen to me, Anna. Better you take the tools. Okay, after that, quickly go through. I think you can skip this part and you can skip this part and you can go to the agents. Okay.
Got it. Fine.
So quickly go through the productivity tools and the prompt engineering. Okay.
Okay, fine. Productivity tools and prompt engineering. Wonderful. Yeah. Thank you, Sriram. I will share my screen and
Okay, guys. Anna will take, and again I will come back to you when I talk about agents, which is my favorite subject.
Fantastic. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. I'm sharing my screen. You are able to see my screen, everyone? Yes.
Yes.
So now we are going to see the productivity tools. What is the productivity tools which we are showing over there? Which is nothing but Skywork, and we are going to talk about Skywork and lovable AI. Okay, Skywork and lovable AI. Okay, so Skywork and lovable AI. What is the purpose of Skywork and lovable AI? And basically, what we are going to achieve over there. So if you are working for the organization company, you want to do a very nice presentation for some specific purpose. What you will do? Tell me any quick content. Tell me some quick content. Anything you want to do a presentation. Tell me a quick content. Yes, quickly. Give me a content. Anything. I want maybe tomorrow you have your office presentation. Tell me a topic. Tell me a topic.
Yeah, give an example of presentations. Yeah, that you want to do.
Any presentation you want to do. Yes, Ankur.
Yeah, no, go ahead. You suppose we want to design any presentation. You want a topic, you mean to say?
Yeah, topic. What is the purpose all about? Maybe you can say that your director is coming up. You want to show your good progress over the last 2 years. You are working in this area. So I want to highlight my activity to them and the proposed vision for next 2 years. Any topic, any content, any topic.
A new project or new development status
Anything.
like that?
On what?
Anything.
New project on what?
New project on inks, suppose printing inks.
Sorry?
Printing inks.
Printing. Okay. So
Yeah.
printing industry.
Yeah.
Okay. So now for this also, actually, we can ask the prompt. First of all, I can prepare a very nice prompt. Okay. So just quickly, I will cover both together. Okay. Later, we are going to very in detail on prompt engineering and the content also. First of all, why we are preparing a very nice prompt means you are asking something to me. Okay. You are asking, Anna, tell me something. You are asking a very generic question. I will answer with very generic information. You cannot blame Anna is not given too much detail because you are asked a very high level information. Anna also given the very high level information. Am I right? But we have to frame a structure how exactly I can ask the LLM to more effectively we can use the content to create and give the very nice outcome. That is the prompt engineering concept. Okay, so we have different types of prompt in your journey. Whenever we are going with the training, we are going to give the exactly what are the different types of prompt and how we effectively we can use. Now, high level understand wherever you are having the LLM, and you have to have a concept of giving the right prompt for the right place, and framing the prompt is very important for your quality outcome. Okay, so now we are framing a prompt. Okay, so now, okay, as a you are one you are particular person. Okay, as a I can able to say that lead. Okay, lead. Uh, I can say that as a senior staff in a printing press. Okay,
Yeah.
I need to demonstrate my skills to my director, also to show the emerging uh, technology and growth in the printing press area for the upcoming 3 years. Okay, so this is what you want to demonstrate. Okay, so now in this LLM, this is not the right tool to generate the presentation. Here you are asking to provide a prompt. Okay, not the presentation. Here I'm asking, okay, can you please, okay, prepare yeah, prompt to use in the that particular tool is called Skywork. Okay, Skywork AI to generate the presentation. Got it? Okay. Here I'm asking to generate the prompt. Okay, right, for the Skywork AI. See here. Now here, this is what the very nice content. So this particular person is creating the prompt for you to use the same thing in the Skywork AI. Skywork AI. Okay. So see here, very nicely it's created so many content. Meaning of these are all the things we can able to do through it. Okay. So if I'm getting this information and I'm copying pasting this particular information, see here final output, everything. Okay. So take this input, take this input here. Okay. And then I'm just going over here. See here, current capabilities, everything, presentation structure, 12, whatever. Okay, now I'm just I'm taking the content. See here, presentation structure, title, everything, company name. Okay, so targeted audience, senior management. Okay, see here, just you can take this particular content and then including here. I want including here. Okay, so if I'm taken this information and coming to the Skywork. Okay, see here, here also I have created the content. Okay, come back, and then you can paste this information and start creating the information. It will start creating your presentation in the very nice expected way. Okay, so maybe by this time we can create this one and we will go to the next one also. Okay, see here, I'm just giving the information to start. So now this particular person is start working on the presentation. This person is start working on the presentation. Got it? See here. Yeah, we are able to get the nice presentation. Maybe this can go parallel. And after that, now I will just come back. Okay, by the time it's generating, even the another tool which we are able to show for you is Lovable website. What is called Lovable website? Lovable AI, which is nothing but we can able to generate a lot of applications. See, these are all our student generated application. These are all the our generated student generated application. So do anyone aware how to develop the application development? Do you know any basic in this AI world? You don't want to understand anything like the basics of like the development stack. No need. Only thing is you have to understand what to ask the GPT, sorry, to the Lovable AI. Even for that, I can prepare the prompt using the same LLM. I can generate a prompt. This is what my application. Please provide a prompt for the lovable AI. So it will generate the prompt the same way how I kept it for the sky work. Here also I can use the same kind of prompt. This is the one earlier our people are generated. See here, even see very nice particular application. See here, they are created the nice prompt and then placed, and then accordingly the application got developed. See here, initially they will be placing a very proper appropriate prompt here. If you are seeing there, no, very much appropriate for the role, and this is what I need. See here, everything they are placed. Okay, this is what I need. Then this particular lovable dove, okay, lovable dove AI generated the all the application. It is not like just a image. See here, everything code is available. Okay, the code is written by the AI. The code is written by the AI. See here, these are all the codes. Who written the code? The code is written by the this particular lovable AI created the code. And after that, even it's able to, we are able to, after that, we are able to see the application and we are able to publish the application. We are able to publish the application. Here I'm copying this content. It is not like just for this. See here, now I'm available in another browser. Now I'm going to completely to my other browser. Okay, see here, I'm going to the now to the Google Chrome, and then I'm copy pasting my URL, pasting my URL. Okay, see here, I'm able to access the application. I'm able to access my application. It's not like just the images. See here, am I? Yes, right. So this application, how do you anyone can guess how much time we are taken to develop this application? Anyone? How much time we are taken to develop
Maybe
this
like 2
application?
minutes,
Sorry.
like 5 minutes.
Maybe approximately we can able to say that because it will write the code. It has to write the code. Okay, we need to allow the AI to write the code and generate it appropriately. Approximately it will take around 15 to 20 minutes approximately. Okay, even on top of it I can ask further more things to develop. I need this feature. I need add this particular feature. I'm not liking this background. Change the background. Include the customer feedback form. So many requirement or about us page you can include and change this content. Everything. It's not like it's just it will change directly. It will write revamp the code. Like it's a senior architect and developer kind of a person to change the code accordingly. And now going forward, I will take the code and I will update. Yeah, very well. You can download the code and you can able to do also. Okay. So this is what the advancement in our current area. Okay. See here, very nice application. See about us, about. Okay. See, it's not like it's just a content and a contact. Everything will be available. See, every pages result. See, now you can click and navigate. Even including the images are taken care by the website, by the lovable. Got it? So now we'll go back and then we'll see whether we are got the presentation. Now this presentation is almost completed. Still it is in the finishing stage. We are able to see the this particular one. But how you are feeling for the lovable website? Lovable one. Is it good for you? Is it good for you or is it useful for you?
It looks good, yes.
If you want to develop any of your application directly, you don't want to depend on any of the developer. Because if you are calling the developer will say that I need this much of time, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. You have to pay the huge money. But now you are able to develop your own application and within half an hour you are able to publish and see the application. And even you can share this particular link to your friends. Say that, yes, I have developed this application on myself. Great, right? So this is the benefit of the Gen AI tools now. And the same thing now, even we are preparing a very nice presentation using the Skywork, because I am not limited because the presentation slide is so huge more. That's what it is taking time. Otherwise, by this time, this will be prepared. Okay, even see here, the information MCP tool, these are all getting from the outside world. Okay, so whatever related to your content, it is even reaching to the other sources to collect the appropriate content to generate the very nice presentation. See, it's almost about to finish, just a couple of minutes. You are able to see the nice presentation, and you can use this. Literally, I'm telling, if the people are not aware we are using AI related tools, they will impress on only your presentation because the quality you cannot compare. It will be the having a very high quality outcome. Okay, the presentation itself, you will take minimum 1 week to develop. It will be such a kind of quality. Okay, right. So now it's almost good to complete. Any questions on this? Meanwhile, it's generating. Any questions on these two tools?
What is the difference between Skywork and Lovable? Main difference between
Totally
these
two
tools?
different purposes. Totally two different purposes. Here we are able to generate the presentation or the documentation based on the title. Here, this particular one is completely, it's allowing you to develop the application for your purpose. Got it?
Develop the
The use
application.
case.
So
Yeah,
if we have to design the website of our own, then we
yeah,
have to use the Lovable, you mean to say?
exactly.
Yeah,
That's true.
application, you mean website? Yes, website,
Website.
including
Okay.
back end, front end, database, anything you can
Anything.
do it.
Anything. Even here, I
Oh,
can go and create the cloud database, and we can connect so many things we can able to do.
So,
See here. See.
Anna, ask Ankur what website he want to create. Maybe you can show him
Yeah,
straight
yeah,
away the website is
yeah,
there.
if
yeah.
I wanted to create a website for my products, what we doing, how, where does it goes, and including all the database of like safety data or the end application use and product look like, how it's gonna look like with the image. Like if he wanted to show some presentation, like any printing, like you know what it means, with the image as well, so somebody can see how is actually look like this on a website
Okay.
when it is been printed. How is your color gonna look like? How is your gonna presentation look like this or that? Or so everything we
Okay.
wanted to image description, what product has been recommendation like that.
See, for that
Do you
example,
have
it's
one
not.
second? Do you have any sample website, Ankur? Or do you have any competitor website?
Yeah, we have competitor website. Yeah.
Okay, give that link to me. And now
Okay.
we can be able to create that in 1 minute. Very simple. Even we can
Very
clone your
That's
competitor website with your own name.
it.
All right.
Or we can add the references. It will also take the references and it will generate.
All right. Mhm.
So we can do the miracles using our these kind of Gen AI tools, not like you don't want to hard work.
All
Or,
right.
or just if you are just saying for you or without that particular website also, that if as Sriram said, if you are giving that website, it will be more accurate. Otherwise also, generally, if I'm saying I'm in a printing press business, okay, and I want to attract the customer with the related information, can you please generate a very nice application using all the information and the future for this particular aspect, then it will also commonly generate as per our need, but maybe not that much accurate. And then even on top of it, you can able to add as much as possible feature on
Yeah.
that.
Database we have to incorporate so that can be uh,
You
because
have to
database
store
is
it.
the main thing, which is not universal to everyone. We have to give our own database, isn't it?
Correct, correct. You have to inform this is the kind of database information, but even it will ask if you are informing the code saying that these are all the information you have to take it through the database. Example, I need the customer inquiry form through the database. Example. Okay.
Right.
So then
Yeah.
you have to inform the code to develop the customer inquiry form. Then it will create the table in the cloud and it will also collect the information in the cloud and it will ask you to give the permission. Then this application will keep on generate everything for you. That's what.
Oh, okay.
Everything you
That's
can
good.
able to integrate. Okay, that's what we are seeing. It's like a very great useful information and application. Okay.
Yeah, be
Within
interesting.
half
Yeah.
an hour, you can able to generate and publish That's what the highlight here. See here, lot of application. I can able to show you the other lot of applications from our side also. Our people developed. See, this is one thing. I will show you so many applications here. See here, this is one of the
Restaurant one.
content.
Yeah, open on a
And
restaurant one. Yeah, open.
yeah, restaurant one is nice one. See here. See, this is one of the thing. See, I will get the URL. See here, copy the URL, and I'm coming to the other page. Yes. Okay. See, this is another one. Everything is, see the quality of the application. AI. Got it? See the content quality. Excellent one. See, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
delicious.
And
Nice.
okay, menu. See the menu. Okay. Even this will go to the reference site to take the relevant information on the prices. Got it?
Okay.
And related content also, like any related information. Okay, it's not like just it will take irrelevant information. Okay. See, make a reservation. For this only I'm saying, if you want to do the reservation, then we need to get it through our database. This information, you will get it through the table and the database. So every option. See how it is looking like. For this, if you want to develop or reach any of the developer to develop, definitely they will take minimum 2 to 3 weeks. And the bill also is not like very normal.
And
The
with a
billing
lot of
also,
bugs. And with a lot
lot
of
of
bugs,
bugs.
and somebody have to test it again.
To fix the bugs only, you need to spend once again on the project cost. Okay.
True.
Now I will come to this particular one. Okay, by this time we are completed. Hopefully, see here, wonderful, fantastic. See, okay, your things is ready now. Okay, see, right? Future ready printing press. Right.
Wow.
So here, current state of the printing press industry. What is the information? Okay, and our current capabilities. Right. And
All right.
vision for the next 3 years. Okay, see here.
Mm.
If you are reading the information, these informations are very accurate for your business case. Okay, see here, speed, quality. Okay, see here, customizations, digital integrations. These are all the next 3 years your progress. Key trends impacting the printing. Okay, see, these are all your business cases. Technology integration roadmap, how you are in future going to implement the technology integration into your business to make it achieved. Year 1 plan, year 2 plan, year 3 plan. Huh? Got it?
Yes.
And if
Nice.
seeing the data, these data are really available in our current content and referred with the top, maybe I can able to say that websites. Got it? You can able to download. See, I will just to go down till the one. Okay, see here, everything is available now. Okay, all the pages, 14 pages are available. And now I can able to download this particular content. Okay, see here, I'm able to download as a PDF or a PPT. I'm downloading as a presentation because you are going to nicely present to your director, whoever coming up. This is what we are achieved till now. This is the future we are going to achieve. These many informations, right? If they are really seeing the value outcome from the presentation, is it good? How they will
Very
feel?
good.
Yeah.
Yeah, excellent.
So just it's downloading. I will even open the
Okay, Anna.
presentation.
I think this is getting delayed. Come on, Anna. Let's go into agents.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So now we'll go to the agents. Okay. So now we'll go to. So can I open Sriram agents? Or you are going?
Yeah, no, okay, Anna, you
Can I
open, Anna. That's fine.
open?
You
I
put
will.
a good flow. Continue. I don't want to stop your flow.
Yeah. I will go ahead with the.
Sorry. So the main thing about the Lovable is to get the right prompt.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you need to get right prompts. That prompts also, there is an approach called hybrid approach that we can teach you as a part of the training. But yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. Prompting is very
Using
important.
the right prompt is very important. But using the right prompt is very important. So taking time. 1 minute, please.
Thank you.
Okay, otherwise I'll go to my 1. So later we are going to see the most critical workflow, but now I'm going to show a few of the very normal workflows. Okay, see here, even we have something like if you want to use and predict with the weather, okay, weather prediction, and then we are even written with one of the creating the
And I just need to go somewhere at 7 o'clock.
okay, okay,
Maybe you carry on, guys,
yeah.
Uncle Victor, and you guys carry on. And I will catch up with you later. And hopefully, guys, just this is 99 pounds. Normally 499. I would recommend to just spend that 99 pound. Is nothing, just a cost for a dinner. You spend here and you learn a lot. So I would suggest join this course. In this 1 hour the time you can, and you'll see that. So we will make you to develop all these things like websites, presentation. We will make you and tell you how to build prompts. So we will make you to do it rather than we showing it. So please join these sessions.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Sriram. I will continue, and then yes, we'll go over there. Fine.
Yeah.
Everyone, you are able to see my screen, right? So first of all, we'll understand like whatever now we are saw something is the tool generating the common purpose, like maybe presentation or the you can able to say the application development. But now we are moving towards you are creating agent means it's reflection of what I'm doing something manually. The same thing I'm creating a AI agent to do it. Okay, it's like your assistant. Now my situation is every day I have to go through the email, maybe hundreds of email, and then I need to read the content from the email, and then I need to see the content, and then I need to take the actions. Okay, see, this is what you are now generated. Your presentation is ready. See this. Okay, see the presentation. Feature ready printing press. Okay, right. Yeah, you can keep your company name presented by. You can able to keep your name, right? See, current state of the printing press industry, market trend, digital printing. Okay, variable data printing, inkjet, sustainable printing. Okay, so the growth from 23 to 33, industry challenges. Okay, see here, critical gaps and weakness, existing services and strength. Right? So our vision statement, speed, quality, customization, digital integration, key technology trends impacting the printing. Okay, so everything, see this one, integrated printing system, expected outcome, right? Like a year 1, 2, 3 plan, and then business growth, revenue opportunities, okay, sustainability and compliance strategy, right? Risks and mitigation, KPI success metrics, right? So conclusion and the leadership message. This is also very important. Opportunity, not a threat. Call to action, what you are going to achieve, and then how you are making this as a success. Right? Came out very well. Maybe 15-20 minutes, we are able to generate a very nice, excellent presentation or not.
Very good.
Right? With the proper data, appropriate data. Okay. So now I will go to the other area. Okay. Now I will go to the other area. Like maybe here I'm just created a very simple workflow for the weather, creating the weather one. Okay. So here I'm just passing the location. I'm just passing the location. Okay. So getting the weather here I'm getting the weather update. Okay, see here now if I'm saying some of the location, right, and then I can able to give the email ID here, and then I can send the email to you. Okay, so anyone, can you please give your email just to get the weather update from the tool? I'm not, maybe you will get it from my email ID, but you will get it received from the tool. Okay, anyone? If you don't want it, then I will use my email only. Can I use my email?
That's fine. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So anyone, suppose I'm using my email only. Let's see here. Okay. Right. So then I'm going back. Okay. So either I will take the input from my Google Sheet. I can able to provide my input from the Google Sheet, or I can able to update the content from here. Okay. I'm saying that I will say that Paris, I want the update from the Paris. Maybe what I can give once again. I will see subject weather update. Okay, even here we'll see location name. Okay, right. So now I'm giving us Paris. Okay, and then I'm sending the run. Okay, now it is running and it will give the message. Okay, so what it is doing, it's an automatic process. We are using this tool. We are using the tool to we are using the tool to generate the we are using the tool to generate the weather update using API. I'm using the API to get the input, and then I'm sending the message to my anyone Gmail account. See here, I'm going to my Gmail, opening the account.
So basically, you can send multiple user at the same time.
Multiple user, comma. That's it. See here, weather update email. I got it. See? This is my weather update email. Correct? No. You can keep hundreds of people also in this one. No problem. Okay.
Yeah.
It's
So
not like only I'm sending. Even I can read the information from the email and get some information to the system. Got it? So this is what the benefit of creating your own agent is. This is one example. Next example, I will tell you the next example. See here, you are working on some of the customer feedback. See here, customer feedback. Okay. So you have some problem with the customer. Okay. So I will also show you here. Okay. I'm updating the customer content here, feedback. Okay. So now see here, I'm just going to the, because even now this tool is in the cloud, so I'm kept everything, all the content also from the cloud. Okay, so customer feedback, this is the customer feedback. Okay, I'm saying that these are all the customer feedback I want to fill. Okay, right. So now they are given, the customer are given this content. Okay, customer given this content. Okay, give me a moment, please. Okay. I'm a customer here. Okay, fine. Now it's came up. All right. So here also now I will change all the email to my. Give me a moment. Okay. Email.com. Okay. Right. So here we are updated with different feedback, maybe positive feedback, neutral feedback, negative feedback, different feedback, just for your understanding. And here I want to understand what kind of action, okay, whether it is a good feedback or normal feedback. And then I want to write it to my system. Basically, this is my system. And also I want to send the feedback. Maybe I can able to say, thanks for your feedback. And I'm sending the customer about this feedback. Okay, saying that, thanks for your feedback. And we are working on that, something like that. Okay. So now if I'm running this particular workflow agent, see here. Okay. So this is a agent. This is the agent. Okay. And we are having the chat model also. Then here you have to specify what you are going to do in this one. We should be very careful, and we are going to teach you like what is a system prompt and user prompt. Here, what is the system prompt and user prompt? Sorry, my system is instructed. Okay, prompt and the user prompt. So based on the system prompt and the user prompt, this will work, and then it will give you the outcome for the your. Here basically I told, read the prompt, read the content, customer feedback, and you have to do this activity in the system prompt. See, find the whether it is negative, positive, and even if it is negative, I want the action item, some of the action item to be provided. So then based on this particular content, see here, if I'm running this content, okay, this will run and fetch the information from here. Now see here, I already deleted this last column. See, last column is deleted. It will take the content from there. It will take the content from there. Once again, okay, now I'm just running my workflow. See here, I'm just running my workflow. And then it's running and getting the informations, and then it will also update to my text, and also it will send the email also. Got it? But now we are seeing for around 4 to 5 feedback. But what about the same feedback for thousands of people you are receiving day in a day? We cannot do it manually, no. We cannot do it through manual. See, updated, no. Even these informations are gathered from the chat GPT or from the LLM. You don't want to sit and think what I'm going to do. This person will guide you what you want to do. Now, if we are going to the email, see, go back to the email. See, now I may received, okay, these many emails. Okay, I should be received all the emails. See, correct? Because basically here I should not use my same email ID for everything. Got it? For the demo purpose I used. So that's the reason I got all the emails in my inbox. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Okay, see here. Thanks for your email. This is what. Okay, we are delighted to hear about a positive experience. This person given positive experience. If the person given something not positive, okay, not positive. Okay, then what is the action item? See here. We are sincerely apologies because this person is not given the positive response. The format is not the same. Correct? Got it?
Got
Yes.
it, yeah.
So these are all the things which you can be able to achieve through the agents, creating the agents. Now you can automate, and you are saying every day this point of time it should run, or this many times it should run. You can just simply run. You are running a company, e-commerce company. Per day you are getting thousands of customer feedback. You cannot neglect. We have to use, and even you can ask this guy, hey, maybe out of thousands of feedback also you can send the response. Okay, but I want categories into only 10 group. Say that what the customer complaints, please categorize into 5 groups or 10 groups. This guy will categorize and tell you can take the action item on those groups, on those category, grouping the category. Makes sense? Because our business is important. I cannot neglect the customer feedback.
Correct. Yeah.
So like this, we can do many number of things using the agents. These are all agents, AI agents. See, now that you are given the prompt to consider based on the only one thing they are given, customer feedback. Based on the feedback, first of all, the AI should understand whether it is a positive, negative feedback. Correct? If it is negative, it has to come up with some of the points. What is our action item? Right? Without AI, this is not feasible. And even sending the email, see here, After we are getting the information, you are writing, again I'm write back to my spreadsheet, and also the same information I'm sending to the customer. The customer then only feel happy saying that, yes, these guys are doing something on my feedback. Agree?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So these are all the things which you are going to cover in this 2-day workshop. Okay.
Very nice
Happy
of
to
you. Thank
support
you,
you.
man.
Yeah. Have a great evening. Thank you. Talk to
Same
you
to you.
soon then.